Welcome to Clever Mum. Meal prepping can seem like a daunting task, but with a little organisation and strategy, you can save time, reduce stress, and ensure your family enjoys balanced, healthy meals all week long. In this video, we'll break down a step-by-step process to make family meal prep simple and efficient, even for the busiest schedules. Let's dive into 5 practical and actionable tips for mastering meal prep at home. 1. Start with a plan. Sunday is the perfect day to sit down and plan your family's meals for the week. Grab a pen, a notebook, or your favourite meal planning app and break things down day by day. Think about breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks, and make sure to include a variety of proteins, grains, and vegetables to keep meals nutritious. For example, you might plan grilled chicken and roasted veggies with brown rice for dinner on Monday, and use the same ingredients for a different dish, like chicken wraps or salads, on Tuesday. Bonus tip: if you're just starting out, keep things simple with 2 to 3 main recipes you can reuse in creative ways. For instance, cooking a large pot of pasta sauce can be used for spaghetti one night and as a pizza topping another. 2. Batch cooking staples. Once you have your meals planned, designate 1 to 2 hours to batch cook some key ingredients. Grill or bake a batch of chicken breasts, roast multiple trays of vegetables, and cook a big pot of grains like quinoa, brown rice, or pasta. These staples can be mixed and matched throughout the week to create fast, healthy meals. Example: roast a mix of broccoli, zucchini, and sweet potato, and you'll have versatile ingredients for grain bowls, stir-fries, or even omelettes throughout the week. Don't forget to season lightly. This allows you to modify the flavours later for different meals by adding sauces, spices, or dressings. 4. Get the kids involved. Meal prep can become a family bonding activity. Get your kids involved by assigning them age-appropriate tasks, such as washing veggies, mixing ingredients, or even assembling their own lunches. Not only does this make the process faster, but it also teaches kids valuable skills and encourages healthy eating habits from a young age. For example, let your kids create their own snack packs with a selection of ingredients you've prepped ahead, like nuts, cheese, and fruit. This way, they feel like they're part of the process and are more likely to enjoy what they've chosen. 5. Use the right tools for meal storage. Having the right containers can make a world of difference in keeping your meals fresh and organised. Invest in stackable, microwave-safe and leak-proof containers. Label each one with the date it was made and group similar meals together in the fridge. This way, when it's time to pack lunch or pull out dinner, everything is easy to find. Bonus tip: consider using glass containers for hot meals and BPA-free plastic ones for lighter snacks. Silicone food storage bags are also great for freezing soups or sauces. Final thoughts. By planning ahead, dedicating a little time to batch cooking, and making meal prep a family effort, you'll not only save time, but also reduce stress and have peace of mind knowing your family is eating well. Meal prepping doesn't mean giving up flavour or creativity. It's about setting yourself up for success in the kitchen while reclaiming quality time with your loved ones. Ready to give it a try? Start small by planning just 2 to 3 days worth of meals this week and work your way up as you get into the habit. You've got this. Call to action. What are some of your go-to meal prep tips or challenges? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more tips to simplify your busy life. Happy prepping!